Hello guys, I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch our videos. We really appreciate it. Well, on the last video concerning grammar, we talked and learned about adjectives. We learned what they are and how they can be used in writing and in speech. Okay, if you don't remember what an adjective is, let me jumpstart your memory. An adjective is a word that modifies the noun. What modifying the noun means is that it adds meaning to the noun, indicating three things: how many, what it looks like, and which one it is. Once an adjective is placed before the noun modifies according to what the adjective is. Also, the adjective usually comes before the noun majority of the time. Check out these sentences and see for yourself. I own a silver watch. I want $500. I have the latest phone. I eat blueberry muffins. Her name is Dora. As you can see in all these sentences, the adjectives came before the noun. Also, remember, a noun is a name, place, or object. But just in case you didn't for some reason watch the last video on adjectives, I'll identify the nouns and adjectives in each of these sentences. Okay, I own a silver watch. In this sentence, the noun is watch because it's an object, and the adjective is silver because it is a color and it tells you what the noun looks like. I want $500. In this sentence, dollars is the noun because it's an object, and 500 is the adjective because it tells you how many there is. I have the latest phone. Phone is the noun because it's an object, and latest is the adjective because it tells you which one it is. I eat blueberry muffins. Muffins is the noun because it's the name of a type of food, and blueberry is the adjective because it tells you which one it is. Her name is Dora. Dora is the noun because it is the name of a person. And name is the adjective because it tells you which one it is. So there you have it, all you need to know. But there's one more thing we haven't covered yet, is that adjectives don't always come before the noun. On some occasions, the noun can come before the adjectives. Like, for example, the car is blue. As you can see, blue is an adjective and it finished the sentence. And it didn't come before the noun car. Before I show you other adjectives you can finish sentences with, let's first see why an adjective can come after a noun. The reason for this is that even though the adjective blue came after the noun, it still modified the noun. The car is still blue, and by seeing this, we can see what the car looks like. Now that we have that covered, let's look at more sentences. The barn is red. Wow, that house is huge. That man is sure little. I need a car that is fast. The honey is sweet. The people are nice. And there you have it, guys. Ways to use adjectives after nouns. The reason I didn't go into details about nouns and adjectives in these sentences is because I already gave you guys a great demonstration in the video already. Well, that's all, my students. Make sure to take into account all that you've learned so far and keep improving. See you guys until next time. So stay eagerly to learn.